My name is Ethan Williams. I'm a nurse. I found Dr. Green while looking at YouTube, and I saw these videos of people saying, I lost this much weight, I lost that. And I said, well, I guess as a guy, they don't really have a lot of guys, but I did see some men on the side as well, so it kind of interested me. So I gave her a call and came in for a consultation. I was still very skeptical, but since I've started, I've lost 25 pounds, and I'm only maybe halfway through the program. Everything's been going very well. I mean, it's been exciting so far. I haven't worn this shirt in 2 years, and now it's baggy on me, so I guess I'll be shopping in my closet some more. But it's been a great experience. I'm just amazed. Guys, don't be afraid. Sometimes we're really skeptical about, I'm not going there, it's for women. We have lots of guys that come here. They're having great results. Mr. Hardiman, you name it. I'm still trying to catch up to him, but it's been a great experience. So far, I like what I see.